Okay, I want to introduce all of you to my little friend. Sena's come out with a new product, the Sena Cavalry Bluetooth helmet. Retails about $350. I got it for just under $300 at good times. Anyway, here it is, and you'll notice over here it's fully charged. There's 3 buttons here, and so to activate this, you just press these 3 buttons here, like so.
Hello.
There it is. So you got the blue and red.
Phone connected.
Kind of cute. It's kind of like Siri. Anyway, so you got a couple of for enhanced sound, you insert these tabs in here. So there's a cloth behind this too, so it's really, really, really good. Anyway, it is not simply a way of pairing your music to your iPhone, which it does do. You can play your pieces. It's great that way. But you can also talk to other riders on the road. So anyone who has a similar product, like a Sena Cavalry helmet, it can operate up to 3 helmets. It'll pair them all together. There's numerous features in the book here. It's just absolutely fantastic. Let's see all this stuff here. Quick start. Yeah, see all these commands. So you can there's a power up. You can talk to people on the phone. Let's see, right here. Our music controls are here. Intercom, look at that. So you can talk to people from up to a mile away. According to what it says here, group intercom, 3-way intercom. Radio, it's got AM, FM radio on there. Anyway, I am pretty happy. I'm just starting with this thing. So yeah, you want to know more about it? Just go online.